rails. Command to draw parametric rails in elevation. Draw a horizontal line to indicate the floor line. Run rail command and select floor line to draw the rail. Rails tool comes with the dialog box. Command creates layer, A rails, automatically and draws all rails on this layer. On the left pane of dialog box is a list with rails type, and on the right pane is the rails preview. Select any rail to preview on the right. Red X mark indicates where you should select floor line for the rail. Default values are set for each parameter. You may set parameters for height of the rail, for horizontal elements, and for vertical elements. All parameters you enter are set as default for the next rail. To set initial program values, select Defaults button. Pick Draw and rail is drawn with specified values. That's all. Try more rails with different parameters values. Any rail. A powerful tool to create your own rail types. First, draw the vertical element of the rail on layer 0. Make block the vertical element, with insertion base point the middle lower point, and scale factors, x and y equal to 1. Draw a floor line to indicate length of the rail. Run the command and select your block. Select floor line to apply rail. In the rail dialog box, enter parameters as you prefer. Press OK and the rail is drawn. Try more rails with different parameters. Metal fence. A tool to create metal fence by predefined vertical elements. Just select line to indicate lower line of rail and its length. Specify desired height and distance between elements. Metal fence is drawn on layer A rails. That's all. Stair rails. A command to draw rails for stairs. Run the command, make required adjustments in dialog and follow prompts at command line. First select lower step, then select upper step. Select lower landing and then upper landing. Under rail support. For long rails drawn, this tool adds extra supports by specifying height and spacing. Gates. A tool to draw single or double door gates. Draw two vertical lines to represent height and length of gate. Select first vertical line and then second one. Type S to draw single gate. Or type D to draw double gate.